The Big Hair Assembly is back on the 15th of September, and it's going to be a big celebration for the 5th anniversary of World Afro Day. I'll be your host, linking schools all around the world in one giant live stream assembly. But we won't just be live from the UK, we'll be live in the USA too.
My name is Tashara Parker. I am a news anchor and reporter for News 8 Daybreak, and I will be helping to spread the Afro love in the United States. We know just how tough things have been for you. The Big Hair Assembly is going to be an inspirational event with special guests and activities.
Thais Vinolo, the beautiful ballerina from the Amazon advert, will be doing an exclusive performance and sharing her Afro hair story. We also want you to share your hair stories when we launch our film competition in May. Simply sign up at worldafroday.com and follow our social channels.